Hello, good morning to all of you, my dear students, and welcome back to our online classes. Today, we see the next point of the first lesson is the process of blood circulations. I made the video on books because on books there is a diagrams. Okay, so it can't draw on a blackboards, and also you didn't see that diagram properly. So that's why I made the video like that. So see in this diagram is of the blood circulation. You know, our lesson is about the circulatory system, and circulatory system we studied how blood circulate in our body by the pumping action of heart. In circulatory system the heart is the main part, okay, and it pumps the blood to all parts of our body. Then let us see how that blood circulates in our body. See, we studied that in the circulatory system the blood vessels are important, okay, to carry the blood. So in our circulatory system the lungs and the heart is connected with the vein. See, this is the lungs. You know, the lungs is also important for exchange of the gases, okay. So and our breathing process, in the breathing processes, so the lungs are important. See, so how that lungs are connected to the heart with the vein pulmonary. Which vein? Pulmonary vein. These pulmonary veins carry the oxygen rich blood from lungs to the left ventricle. Okay, see, it is the left ventricle. This part of the heart is the left ventricle. So the function of this pulmonary vein is carry the oxygen rich blood from lungs to heart. Why it oxygen rich blood? Because we take the oxygen, okay, from air, and lungs helps in the breathing process. So obviously in our lungs the oxygen amount is high, okay. So first when we inhale the air, then this oxygen rich blood is carried from lungs to the heart, means left ventricle parts of the heart. Then after that what happened? Heart is regularly pumping the blood, okay. So in the second state the heart pump the oxygen rich blood to the aorta. This is the aorta, okay. aorta is a प्राइमरी आर्टरी. वो क्या है? एक आर्टरीज है. हम देखा ना ब्लड वेसल्स के टाइप कौन कौन से? आर्टरीज, ओके, वेन्स. these are the types of the blood vessel. So after the heart that pump the oxygen rich blood to the aorta, okay, and these aorta, from the aorta the blood move to the different arteries that to supply the pure blood to all parts of body. Means from aorta the pure blood is supplied to all parts of body that are essential for our different process, okay. See, I again repeat these three steps. In first step what? The pulmonary vein. This is the pulmonary vein. The pulmonary vein carry oxygen rich blood from lungs to heart, okay, means left ventricle. Then after that from here the left ventricle the heart pump the oxygen rich blood to the aorta, okay, and from the aorta the blood is moved to the different arteries and to supply to all parts of our body. Then what happen in our body? The oxygen is used for the different process, it absorbs in our blood, okay, and it also helpful for our breathing process. So after that the waste product carbon dioxides in our body, waste product carbon dioxides This carbon dioxide is exhaled out. Okay, then what happened? These veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood from different parts of body to the vena cavas. This blue colors is the vena cavas. Okay, so from that, this is the veins, small veins, and that veins carry the carbon dioxide rich blood. Carbon dioxide rich blood means what? In that blood, the percentage of carbon dioxide is high. That's why it's called rich in carbon dioxide. Okay, so that's why this carbon dioxide rich blood is carried from all parts of our body to the right auricle of heart. It is the right auricle here, which is part right auricle. Right auricle. I write here RA. So this right auricle is the part of heart. So through vena cavas, this carbon dioxide rich blood carried toward the heart, means right auricles. Then after that what happened? The heart pump the carbon dioxide rich blood to the pulmonary artery again. Okay, that carry to the lungs. फिर से यहाँ से ये blood कहा जाता है lungs में. Okay, and again this carbon dioxide's exchange of gases takes place in the lungs. Okay, and again this process is continue, means again carbon dioxide rich bloods carried to the heart. Okay, from heart to our body, and from body then कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड यहाँ पे ये जो रेड लाइन की वेंस दिख रही है वहाँ तक ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड कैरी होता है. ओके, यहाँ के आफ्टर दैट द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिच ब्लड from our body is carried to heart, means up to the right auricle, and from right auricle it carried to the again lungs, means it's the blood is circulate in our body like that continuously. Okay, so this is the process of blood circulation in our bodies. Okay, the next point, see heartbeat and pulse. Heartbeat and pulse, you know where our heartbeat you feel? Yeah, obviously in the heart. So the heart muscles regularly contract and relax to maintain the circulation of blood. So each rhythmic contraction and relaxation produces a throbbing sound, and which is called heartbeat. Our heart is continuously contract and relax, okay, like a pump. So that's why the one type of rhythmic sound, throbbing sound, is created, and that's called heartbeat. So in a resting adult human being, the heart beats 70 to 75 beats per minute. Okay, and in children the heartbeat is 90 to 100 times, means as compared to adult, in children the heartbeat is more. So heartbeat it increases when we do some physical activity such as running and cycling. जब हम running और cycling करते तब हमारे heartbeats कैसे रहते हैं? Increase होते हैं, बढ़ते हैं. Okay, आपने feel भी किया होगा कभी कभी. So with each heartbeat, blood flows in the arteries under a high pressure, and this causes throbbing movement in the artery called the pulse. उसको क्या कहते हैं? Pulse. And this pulse is the rhythmic beating the artery caused by heartbeat. एक क्या है? Rhythmic beating. So we can use the stethoscope, okay, to count the heartbeat or pulse. Doctor generally use it stethoscope to count the pulse and heartbeat. Okay, अगर आपने पल्स चेक करने होंगे आपको घर पे, तो आप अगर आपके देखो यहाँ पे आपको डायग्राम्स दिखा है पल्स चेक की. सो यू इफ़ यू पुट द प्लेस द यूर 2 fingers ऑन द रिस्ट ऑफ द यूर फ्रेंड इन द लाइन ऑफ हिज थम, मीन्स जहाँ पे थम है वहाँ पे यहाँ से यहाँ पर अगर फिंगर रखें तो आपको फील कर सकते हैं आप. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द हार्ट बीट्स एंड पल्स. द सी नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, healthy and strong heart. You know, all of us know that our heart is work continuously, so it should keep healthy and strong. Then how you can keep it strong and healthy? See how? First, practicing deep breathing exercise. Okay, means like a pranayam. You do the pranayams daily, so your breathing exercise is practice the deep breathing exercise and is helpful for your body. Then doing some physical exercise such as swimming, walking, ये भी आप कर सकते हैं. Then maintaining a healthy eating habit. जनरली जो ईटिंग हैबिट्स हो हेल्थी चाहिए, जंक फूड्स जनरली अवॉइड. ओके. देन टेकिंग द प्रॉपर रेस्ट एंड स्लीप, परफॉर्मिंग सिंपल आसनस. ओके. जो योगासन है हम वो भी कर सकते हैं. देखो आपको पिक्चर्स दी है आगे से. योगा हैज़ अ मेनी टाइप्स एंड फॉर्म्स. इट कीप्स द body relax and energize. So also yogas helps in curing many physical and mental health problems. So there are various poses of yogas. See this Tadasana means mountain pose, like that. This is one type of yogas. Then Rikshasana, देखो here that girls they put the one legs on that other legs at the place of knees. Okay, and join that hands and it should be straight, so it's a tree pose. Then is the Trikonasanas. These means are in the triangle pose. Take the distance between two legs and bend like that. Okay, means you make the triangles. Dhanurasana. Okay, it's a Dhanurasana. Then this is the चतुरंगन दंडासन. सो 4 लिम्ब स्टार पोज. यहाँ पे देखो ये पोज दी है. वीरभद्रासन. ओके. सो दे आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ योगासन्स. ओके. इससे भी बहुत सारे टाइप्स योगासन्स के आपको बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को पता होंगे. ओके. अभी अभी योगा डे हुआ है ना. ओके. सो हियर वी कैन do the different yogas and keep our body relaxed and energized. Okay, and that helps in the cure many physical and mental health problems. Okay, so see here our lesson is finished. So here some keywords are given here. See, heart, plasma, arteries. What do you mean? जो भी हमने ये वर्ड देखे उसके मीनिंग्स यहाँ पे लिखे. इफ यू हैव अ बुक, then you read that keywords properly. It's helpful to solve the exercise because number of the definitions are here. Okay, see, I read it. Heart, a muscular pumping organ that pumps blood, is called heart. Plasma में जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था, the fluid part of blood. Plasma is the fluid part of blood. Artery is the blood vessels, okay, that carry oxygenated blood from heart to body parts. Veins, blood vessel carry deoxygenated blood. जो है क्या कैरी करते हैं? डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड. देखो दोनों की डिफरेंस आर्टेरीज एंड वेंस में. यहाँ पे सिर्फ क्या है, ये ऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कैरी करता है हार्ट टू पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी and it carry the deoxygenated blood from body parts to heart. Then extremely thin blood vessels. See, capillaries. Capillaries are the thin blood vessels that join the arteries and veins. Aorta, जैसे अभी हमने देखा, aorta is क्या है? main artery which carry blood from heart. Vena cava, main vein which carry blood to heart. जो हार्ट को कैरी करती है ब्लड उसको क्या कहते हैं? वेना कावा. ओके. एंड जो आर्टेरीज ब्लड कैरी करती है फ्रॉम हार्ट टू पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. सी, देन पल्स, द रिदमिक मूवमेंट इन द आर्टेरीज कॉज्ड बाय हार्ट बीट्स. स्टेथोस्कोप, an instrument used to measure heartbeat and pulse rate, is called stethoscope. तो ये जो कीवर्ड्स है आप प्रॉपरली रीड करो. ओके. सो हियर आवर लेसन इज फिनिश. इन द नेक्स्ट पीरियड I sending the questions and answer of that lesson. So you have to write it in a notebook. Okay. Bye.